Welcome back to the Wandering Scotsman. Today we're going to go and explore a waterfall in America instead of in Canada. We're going to do something different for a wee change. We're in Western New York at an undisclosed location. I can't see the location because there might be aliens here. This is part of Area 51. Well, Area 52 because it's New York.
Good morning and welcome back to the Wandering Scotsman.
Today
with my kiddies! We've got Charis and Calum. Yeah! Bandami Nosy! So today we're going to explore a little known area, little known waterfall that no one in Canada's heard of. You know why? Because it has no name. We're not going to give it a name.
We're going to explore this amazing waterfall. See, look at the shoes. It's absolutely massive. It's massive. It's gigantic. Don't want to fall off of that, do we? We get a Calum, you fall off that?
Yeah.
Just bite down. Even comes with mosquitoes that fly into your eyes. Maybe I have to wear my... See, I'm not. I'm a dumb idiot. So I just have to stand next to Calum so that all the bugs stay away from both of us. So anyway, before I start waffling down the rabbit hole there, what I was going to say is that this is actually on private property. But the great news is that we introduced ourselves to the owner and we got permission to be on the property, so we're not trespassing. That being said, however, he has asked us to respect his wishes of not posting the name. I've got one right in my eye. A wee bugger. Literally a wee bugger. So he's asked us not to post the name of this waterfall because he doesn't want strangers coming trespassing on the property. All I can say is in Western New York, United States. That's as far as I'm going to say where this is. That's right. So follow us. We go down this way, go into the river, and we're going to hike up the creek so we can get to the base of the waterfall. You ready, Charis?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this.
We made it down to the bottom and we're actually going to hike down soon first.
So son, what do you think of this place, eh?
That's not too shabby.
Not too shabby, eh? So you ready to go up to the next balls? This is absolutely fantastic, I'm telling you. I love it. I get so excited when I get to waterfalls. The adrenaline rush just courses right through your whole body. It's amazing. I mean, it's so nice to be out there and one with nature. Yeah, I'm especially excited to explore this waterfall with my kids, Calum and Charis. We're going to go up to the next one, as I said. I'm going. Sponte! Aye! Nice view. Seems like I'm a bit stuck though on this rock. Unlike you guys, I don't have anything I can really... The water level has to be okay about it, so nope. That's a bit of a You're maroon! Ah! Here we are, half an hour later, Calum's still pondering.
I'm just gonna go back to where it came. We're gonna have
Okay, I can carry you on my shoulders, but we might both fall in.
yeah, probably.
Calum's leading the way now, leading us up to the top waterfalls. Oh, Charis is playing hide and seek there, hiding behind that big rock.
Welcome back to the pondering talking with a little bitty segment here. Once you get them in the jam, I don't want to backtrack too much, so waste time. I'd really like to get on top of that rock and you'll kind of flag and it's waving or something, but I don't know if that's possible. I'll get stopped. So give me a second to think here.
Might have to call up Sylvester Stallone, because didn't he have lots of expertise in this area in the movie Cliffhanger? Knew some kind of tightrope. There he goes. He's trying not to get his undies wet. Wait a minute, he doesn't have undies on. What's he talking about? Oh, it must be his socks he's trying not to get wet. He-Man! Don't make Scots Americans the stuff isn't used to. Everything's made in China nowadays. These new breeds of Scots Americans are pretty weak. They're terrified to get their undies in a twist.
Oh no.
Get their kilts wet.
Want to know these nice boots here? $150.
We're almost at the top now. That's it, right behind me. Unfortunately I got fooled. It's not as tall and big as I thought it was going to be. Normally the lower falls are smaller and the upper are bigger. That's not the case here. It's a wee bit different in this area of Western New York. But it's still pretty nonetheless, so let's get up closer and have a wee shower. Look at that. Wow. Such power. Cam's taking a shower over there.
guys are like superhuman. Looks like a cross between Spider-Man and Superman and Mr. Flexible Man.
Oh, it's just because we're young.
I'm just big belly man. Oh help man. The Jamaican man.
Be careful, man.
You're making me scared man.
Making me crazy.
Aye. I think I bloody made that. So,
Careful of your foot right there, it's hanging over the edge.
Take a wee pee here. Hang on, that
Oh,
feels so
shite.
good. Oh, yeah.
Not in front of the camera.
That's a great thing about wearing that kilt. It's easy access every time you've got to take a leak, you know what I mean? But nobody's going to take the leak, you just stand there like,
Yeah.
Quite nice. Yeah, lovely. Oh, I like that lovely plant there. There you go, a wee shake, you're all done, you're good to go.
Careful, oh my gosh.
Thankfully we get permission to be here. Fun skaters here, 3 minnows. See 3 minnows? Adorable, eh? Look at that, made it to the bridge. It's a very famous bridge, it's gorgeous, eh? Because it's made entirely of wood. Archaeological feature.
And we're now finally at the end of today's hike at the wooden bridge. It's the end of the private property here, so we're going to go no further because I don't have the permission from the other landowners. However, there's no waterfalls on that other side anyway. Only waterfalls are the ones that we covered down that way. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, as I said before earlier,
Thanks Brian for joining us in another wee video of the Wandering Scotsman.
yeah, you're crazy. I know. Because you're all crazy too. You're crazy for watching these videos, so you are. Hello, this is the FBI calling Scotland Yard. Anyone there? That, ladies and gentlemen, brings us to the end of today's adventure with the Wandering Scotsman here in Western New York, United States of America, with yours truly, the Wandering Scotsman, Charis and Ruxton, and over here, Calum Ruxton, the Pondering Scotsman. Woohoo! Fantastic, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day, look after yourself, and until next time, it's all done now, so with much appreciation to the landowner here for allowing us to come onto his property and check out the beautiful waterfalls and the bridge. We had a great time, didn't we, kids?
Yeah,
brilliant.
Beautiful creation to look at and enjoying. Respect this guy's privacy, but that's what happens when you be friendly to people.
She's off a rocker, she's off a rocker, she's off a rocker, she's nuts, she's crazy. She's related to me.
I think we need a new dentist.